What's up everyone? Welcome to this quick tutorial for this updo that works well for if your hair is shorter in the front or if you have starter locks and are looking for a way to hide that frizz. First, I'm going to start off with some rose water. Y'all know I've been loving rose water this year just to keep my locks moisturized. I try to not style my hair when it's dry. I try to use some type of product. Next, I'm going to use my aloe vera juice. These two products are working very well for me. For some reason, I've been using them both at the same time. Then I'm gonna take this Alikay Naturals Loc Oil and go through my locks just to make sure that they don't look dry, they don't look dull, and I'm just moisturizing the ends of my hair. Sometimes I will go ahead and put it on my scalp if I need it, but the rose water and the aloe vera juice have been doing a great job. So next, I'm gonna section off my hair. You're gonna decide how much you want to twist in the front. You're gonna be doing a flat twist. I try to get as much as I can in the front just because most of my hair towards the front is a little shorter. It's harder to put in a ponytail in the back, so I would recommend you put as much as you're able to in the front. If you put less hair, it has a different look than if you put more hair. I'm gonna take my time to put my hair in a ponytail. My hair is getting so thick, y'all. I don't even know what's causing it to get so thick, but I'm not complaining at all. It just takes a little bit longer to put it in a ponytail, and I have to use a headband these days just because it's so thick. We're here for it. We're here for thick hair. So you want to secure your hair in a neat ponytail. This look works very well for work. I used to wear this all the time for work. Now I experiment with different styles. So next, you're just gonna go ahead and flat twist your hair. The best way I can describe this is you're just twisting the hair across the front. I think it should be pretty self-explanatory. I didn't know how to flat twist before I started doing this style, and I seem to figure it out. I will tell you it's much easier than braiding. So if you're nervous about this, just give it a try. It might take 2 or 3 times to figure it out, but I believe in you. I know you'll get it. So go ahead and twist across the front. Don't worry about the pieces that don't fit into the flat twist. I will show you what to do with that shortly. I do have some pieces of hair that just tend to be very stubborn and they don't fit for many different reasons. One, because they're short, another, just they're stubborn. So we'll deal with that later. And then I'm just gonna use a hair binder to tie the end. Sometimes I will twist all the way until the end and then pin it back if I'm doing this look in the morning for the day. However, it's later on in the day and I want this to last for the week. So I'm gonna secure it this way. So you're gonna go ahead, loop it, and you can braid a little bit more and loop it towards the end if you'd like. It really depends on your preference. Here you see me tucking in those pieces that I called stubborn earlier. You might not have to worry about that, but just a reminder, you don't have to take too much time with that. And the style is basically done once this is all set up. I'm trying to be more open to trying different things. I really like this one. It's quick, it's super simple. It should take you less than 5 minutes. If you're taking more than 5 minutes to do this, unless it's your first time and you're struggling with flat twisting, that's why I love it, because it's so quick. And it's so simple. So over here you see me twisting the end, then I'm just gonna pin it back. And the bobby pins that I use are the really tiny bobby pins. I love them because they're hard to detect. I don't really like my hair when I have so many bobby pins around it, but you might not mind. Do you, boo? Do what works best for you. So I'm gonna pin back those pieces and then I should be good to go. Then I'm just gonna show you what this looks like, what the final result is. Once I make sure everything is in place, everything is secure, then I go ahead, one final touch. I add an accessory, which is this little headband, and I just put this on. Usually I wear this without a headband, but I recently got this one, and I thought it was a nice addition to the hairstyle. This is the look. It works well for really short locks, for starter locks. If your locks were longer, I think this would be beautiful, just as beautiful. Did I mention that the style lasts a really long time? You can have it for as long as you need to. And if you notice the flat twist is getting a little bit loose, you can go ahead and retighten the flat twist. But I find it to be a really nice style, especially if your hair can't fully fit into a ponytail and you want to wear it back. This is the style for you. If you're looking to hide that frizz, this is the style for you. So I won't take too much time. You're seeing what the style looks like. Like this video if you plan on trying this style or something similar to this. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.